Are you ready to learn how to make awesome content and earn money with TikTok's new creator program? It's super exciting. With this program, you get paid $1 for every 1,000 views your videos get. It's a fantastic opportunity, and I'm here to help you make the most of it. We'll cover everything you need to know, step by step, from creating a catchy name and profile picture for your account, to writing powerful scripts using ChatGPT, and even using AI tools for high-quality voiceovers. I'll also share tips on finding and editing the perfect clips for your videos. Remember to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generating catchy name. Sure, to kickstart your journey, you can use ChatGPT to create a catchy name of your account. Simply describe the content you plan to share, whether it's motivational quotes, self-improvement tips, or anything else that you want to share on TikTok. Once you have a clear idea, ChatGPT will generate exciting names for your TikTok account that align with your content theme. After receiving name suggestions from ChatGPT, take your time to choose a name that you feel represents your content well. Step 2. Making logo. Once you've settled on a name, head to logo.com, a free AI tool that simplifies logo creation. Enter the name generated by ChatGPT and, if desired, add a slogan to personalize your logo further. Next, select the creator option and pick the colors for your logo. For instance, vibrant colors like yellow and black could be fitting choices if your content revolves around motivation and empowerment. You can also choose the font style that best complements your brand identity, keeping in mind that you can always replace these elements later. To ensure the AI understands your preferences, provide keywords such as motivational and self-improvement to guide the logo creation process. Once you've inputted all the necessary details, click Next and let the AI work its magic. After the AI generates several logo options, browse the results and select the one that resonates most with you. Once you've found your favorite, save the logo to your PC, and you're one step closer to establishing a captivating brand presence on TikTok. Step 3. Generating script. To further enhance your TikTok content, you can use ChatGPT to generate impactful motivational quotes. Simply ask ChatGPT to create long motivational quotes that are suitable for TikTok videos. Remember, TikTok videos eligible for the creativity program need to be longer than 1 minute, so it's essential to have quotes that can captivate your audience for the duration of your video. If the quotes generated by ChatGPT aren't long enough for your liking, you can always ask again to see if the results better meet your needs. However, if you're satisfied with ChatGPT's quotes, you can incorporate them into your TikTok videos. Alternatively, if you're still seeking inspiration, you can explore other resources on the web for additional motivational quotes. Here is an example of generating script for a luxury motivational video using ChatGPT. Here's the prompt we'll use. Create an engaging video script for the topic of luxury motivational video. The video duration should be around 1 minute. Start with the hook. Imagine living a life of luxury and fulfillment. Now, let's get started crafting this compelling script together. You can find this prompt in the video description below. So after you've read the script, make sure it's captivating and aligns with your vision for the video. If you're not satisfied or want to explore different ideas, feel free to ask ChatGPT to generate another script. Once you've selected the perfect script, simply copy it from ChatGPT and you're all set to create your video. Step 4. 11 Lab voiceover now. Let's explore the extensive voice library offered by 11 Labs to find the perfect voice for your videos. Moreover, the bonus is that you can monetize your videos using these voices. Signing up is hassle-free. You receive 10,000 characters for free upon registration. Let's start by listening to a sample voice and assessing its suitability for our content.
The biggest room in the world is room for improvement.
After thorough research, I've identified a voice I believe is ideal for the task. A sample of the voice goes like this.
If we did the things we are capable of, we would astound ourselves.
To locate any specific voice profile, you can simply enter its name in the search bar provided by 11 Labs. Alternatively, you can browse through their library and choose a different voice like this.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
Once you've found a voice that suits your needs, proceed to the Speech Synthesis tab. In the Speech Synthesis tab, you can paste the quote generated by ChatGPT and then click the Generate button. This will prompt the AI to create the voiceover using the selected voice. Here is the final version.
In a world of luxury and fulfillment, each day unfolds with abundance and joy. From the opulent comfort of a lavish estate to the heartfelt connections shared with loved ones.
As evidenced by the result, 11 Labs proves its prowess in crafting top-notch voiceovers that perfectly complement our luxury motivational content, emphasizing its effectiveness in enhancing our video production quality. After the voice file has been generated, you can easily download it for use. Now that we have the voiceover ready, we can incorporate it into our video to add that professional touch and captivate our audience. Step 5. Video searching. Alright, let's find an excellent video to go along with our content. We're going to pexels.com, a site we've used before, for making TikTok stories with Reddit. If you're curious about that, we can also make video on that guide. Comment below to let us know. But now, let's focus on our new job. A lot of motivational videos show people getting active, like working out. So, that's what we'll look for. Videos of people exercising. We want videos that look tall, just like TikTok ones. Then, we'll go through them and find one that matches what we're talking about. Once we've got it, we can use it in our video. Easy, right? Let's get to it. Step 6. Video editing. Now that we've got everything we need, let's dive into the final step, editing the clip. We'll use CapCut for this. First, open up CapCut and import all the parts we need for our video. Then, we'll drag the voiceover into the sequence and cut out any long pauses to make it sound smooth. Next, we'll add in the workout footage we downloaded from Pexels. It's a good idea to use more than one video to keep things interesting for the viewers. Let's change the settings once the footage is in place to give the clip a darker appearance. You can play around with the settings or just follow along with the ones I'll show you. Now, let's add some effects to spice things up. Scroll through the available effects and see what catches your eye. When you find something you like, simply drag and drop it onto the video. Don't forget to repeat this process for every snippet you include in the project. Now, let's experiment with some transitions to make the video flow smoothly from one part to the next. The left transition can be a good choice to add some visual interest. Additionally, try adding movement animations by clicking on the Animation tab. For example, I'm going to use the pendulum animation. Once we're satisfied with the transitions and animations, we can move on to the next step. Step 7. Caption. Now, let's move on to the last step, adding captions. CapCut offers a fantastic AI tool that you can use for free to generate auto captions. Including captions in your videos is a fantastic way to captivate your audience and enhance the overall engagement and viewing experience. Once the captions are generated, you can further enhance the video by adjusting their appearance. Start by selecting a template that you find visually appealing. Then, position the caption box in the center of the screen and adjust the font size for better visibility. Finally, explore and apply a cool effect to enhance the overall presentation. If you'd like, you can also incorporate background music into the video either at this moment or at a later stage when you upload it to TikTok. Now, the final step is to export the file. Here's a quick look at the video with captions included.
In a world of luxury and fulfillment, each day unfolds with abundance and joy. From the opulent comfort of a lavish estate to the heartfelt connections shared with loved ones, every moment is a testament to the richness of life's experiences.
Look, I've created a video about motivational content, showcasing just one way people can earn with the new TikTok creativity program. But guess what? There are plenty more ways to make money with this program. I'll be sharing more videos like this soon, so if you liked what you saw, consider subscribing to my channel. You can also check out another video of mine by clicking here. Thanks for watching and see you next time.